Hello everyone, you're very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom costs an arm and a leg, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to be so expensive that you have hardly any money left. The two women had a catch-up as they hadn't seen each other in a long time. Where should we go? Anywhere but the last place we went. They charge an arm and a leg for a drink. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The couple received a mansion through a family inheritance. This is great. I've never been in a house so big before, but I'd say it will cost an arm and a leg to maintain. The woman wants to change her lifestyle to a more healthy one. It's not cheap to be healthy. Some of these healthy options would cost you an arm and a leg. They had 3 children before she gave birth to her 4th child. It's going to cost us an arm and a leg to put them all through college. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The small business owner met with his accountant to discuss possible expansion. I don't think it's workable at the moment. It would cost you an arm and a leg and put you in a hard place, financially speaking. Upper management has organized a weekend holiday for all of their branches. I hope they're all going to enjoy this. It's cost us an arm and a leg. The company owner is finding it hard for his business to continue through the COVID-19 crisis. We've been closed for months already. COVID-19 has already cost me an arm and a leg. I'm not sure I'll ever recover from this. Where did you hear the expression, cost me an arm and a leg? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.